What's up, guys? It's me, your girl Free Spirit is. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing fabulous because I'm doing great. Y'all, I'm back again with another mukbang for you guys. And today we have a Nigerian Soulfood mukbang, y'all. We got some fried plantains, some Jellof, beans and rice Jellof. It's like native style that I cooked it. And then I have some fried red snapper and some collard greens. Y'all, this food is nice and warm and I'm ready to eat it. So let's get to chopping. I'm gonna give you guys the, overhead pan like I usually do, and then we're gonna bless this food and then we're gonna get to chopping. So let's get it, y'all. Creator bless this food and bless the hands that made it. Amen. Let's eat, y'all. Short and sweet. What's up, y'all? I know it's been a minute. Y'all, I have been really tied up trying to get things done because it's the countdown, y'all. We are on our way to Nigeria. We got like 3 weeks. Y'all been hustling, trying to get the money together because, when I'm down there, y'all, I'm going to be creating content. So I need the funding to do so, and also, to be able to sustain myself. So yes, I've been working hard, y'all, trying to, get myself together for this trip. I'm so excited, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. It's been like 7 years since I was there last, so I'm super psyched. Y'all, let me go ahead and give the shout outs from the last mukbang video, and then let's get to chopping, y'all, before the food gets cold. All right, shout out to MRTV49, LBT Electric Dino Online, and Felicia Wells 216. Thank you guys so much for your comments on my last mukbang video. I really appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. And for the next 5 commenters on this mukbang video, I'll shout you out on my next mukbang video. All right, y'all, let's get to chopping. Y'all, for this meal, I also got me my food arranger. Not advocating for drinking, but you know what? I had to, I had to. I'm doing soul food. I got me some fried red snapper, collards, everything. And y'all, hands, y'all know how I do. Hands are clean, washed. Let's go in. Now, these collard greens, y'all, I did not cook them forever because I like my collard greens to have, a little bit of, I still want all the nutrients. I am a little slight bitterness to it. So yeah, I took that first bite. Now with this, I did I put I wok fried it. A little bit of water to steam it and just let it sit for 20 minutes. Y'all, I didn't burn the plantains this time. So good. So what's up, y'all? How are y'all doing? I hope you guys are doing okay. It's been crazy, y'all. The election was a riot. We are in November. Basically, we are a couple of weeks from the end of 2024. Plantain is sweet and soft. Yeah, take a bite. It's holiday season, y'all. So, we are off to Nigeria first week of December. First 3 days of December, y'all, we're off. So I'm trying to organize myself. Or rather, organize the family. Crazy moving around. I'm trying to arrange Christmas for the kids while I'm gone. This will be the first Christmas that I'm away for the kids in like, I guess, yeah, it's been like 7 years. So, I'm gonna be their first Christmas without me in 7 years. And Christmas dinner is always such a huge deal for me. Just like Thanksgiving, which is just an opportunity for us to give thanks for the year, you know? And for me to cook all my favorite dishes. So, I'm looking forward to it. And this year, it's like at the end of the month, y'all. Like it landed on the 28th. 2 days before the month ends. So I'm not doing a turkey this year. Last year I didn't do a turkey. And I think for this season of giving thanks, we are not gonna be turkeying. I found that aside from the dark meat, we find ourselves struggling with turkey. So I don't think we're doing turkey this year. It's not that I don't think we're not doing turkey this year, y'all. What do y'all think? Comment down below. I mean, I cook a whole turkey and then we end up literally just kind of eating the dark meat. Oh, this red snapper. This is a fish that you don't have to do anything to. Literally. It's so delicious. Oh my God. Yeah, so I feel like we waste like we struggle with what to do with the rest of the meat after Thanksgiving. And since we only like certain parts of the turkey, I just cook those certain parts, you know what I mean? Like, there was one Thanksgiving I just did like the wings, you know? Oh, excuse me. The whole red snapper. I did like turkey wings one on Thanksgiving. Last Thanksgiving I did turkey tails, which was really actually amazing. It was like smoked turkey tails. And I like stir fried them with like bell peppers and onions. I was looking for the raw ones. So that I could like season them the way I like them. But yeah, y'all. Look at this. A meaty fish. I love when the plantain is like super soft. Sweet. It's not like too sweet. I'm not sweet, but not too sweet. So I think this year we're gonna do the same thing we did last year. We'll have some element of the turkey, but not like the whole turkey. And then have like other dishes. Y'all comment down below what y'all doing this Thanksgiving season, because I'd like to know. And for me, Thanksgiving isn't the traditional, you know, the way that we were taught in social studies class, because we all know that's not like what it was. For me, it's just me and my family, we just use that opportunity to just get together as a family and share what we're thankful about throughout the year, and you know, opportunity for us to just get together, you know? So that's, you know, what it has become for me and my family, you know? And like I said, I get to like cook all the stuff that I love. And it's so bad, y'all, because I cook so much food. It's like I lose my mind or something. And it's like I feel like there's never going to be enough. Like food is never enough. But there's like so much food. And I think I just kind of like black out. Kind of like my menu is so long. And literally everybody who shows up is like it's comatose. And there's so much food. And every year I say, oh, I'm not going to do what I did last year because it was way too much food. I cook so much. But it never works out. Don't comment down below how it is for you guys on Thanksgiving. Well, yeah, guys. I'm basically getting myself together for this big trip that we're about to take. I know I have some requests. I have a request for a cookbang. I'm on it. Miss Felicia, I'm on it. I promise you. I'm going to do that for you. I'm going to get that soup cooked for you. before we go to Nigeria. But y'all, I appreciate all the support. And y'all, please go to my page and check out any videos that you might have missed, because I don't know how the videos get recommended. Like, I do post in the community, so do check and just kind of see what you've missed. And please comment. I love suggestions, recipe ideas. I'm always looking for new things to try. And new places to go to and eat. This was a really good food. So y'all don't hesitate to comment down below, because I really like to hear from you guys. I'm sorry if I didn't say too much. I spent most of my time enjoying this food. I didn't realize how much I wanted it too. But I'm about full, y'all. I don't think I'll be able to eat anymore. This is that. A little bitty leftover is going to be great the next day. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm about done. That was really good. If you guys are interested in the recipe, I will I'll go ahead and put the ingredients in the description if you guys want me to demonstrate how I made this. Please comment down below, and I will try and get that scheduled in so that we can get that out for you. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. That was an ultimate compliment, and it really was good. Spice level, everything was good. I'm satisfied. Woo. Thank you, chef. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are, you've hung around till this point, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because it's absolutely free, no cost to you. Once you hit that red subscribe button, you want to hit the post notification bell that's next to it, so that every time when I post a video, you'll be notified, or when yes, there absolutely is a you'll be notified. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Thank you for chilling with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your week. Love yourselves, love one another, be safe in the streets, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next video. Bye, y'all.